Alrighty, welcome back, boys and girls. It's your main math man, Mr. Shane, coming to you live from Walker Grant Middle School, and it's quiz day, but we want to make sure we can get our warm-up in. So it says the gumball machine contains 10 grape gumballs, 12 strawberry, 3 lemon, and 10 green. Again, if you need to draw that out, you certainly can, but in total, we're going to have that, we have 10, so let's maybe write this down. We have 10, we got 12, 3, 10. So all together, how much do we have? Well, we're going to have 35. So now it says, what is the probability that you will not get green apple from the machine? And then you'll get green apple. So we're saying, okay, how many of these are not green apple? Another way you can see that is, well, what is the probability of getting green apple? So you're going to say, you're going to set it up like this. So let's actually back up a little bit. I'm going to write this out for ourselves. So I have 35 total. And I'm going to say, all right, the probability of not apple is equal to, well, it's going to be out of 35, because that's how many in total we have. How many of which are not green apple? So if only 10 are green apple, that means 25 are not green apple. Again, if you are given a percentage, you're just saying, okay, it's out of 100 or whatever the value is, it's just the remaining amount is not what you're looking for. Again, you can simplify by dividing by 5 over 5, and that should be just equal to 5 over 7. Again, we take 1 out, so our new, let's subtract only 1, our new total is going to be that 34. So the probability of picking a green apple after not apple, so it's going to be out of 34 because that's how many are remaining. How many are green apple? We said 10, and so again we can divide by a common factor, and so we should end up with 5 over 17. Again, you combine those two probabilities by multiplying them together. So we're going to say this 5 over 7. Let me change up colors here. 5 over 7. Maybe not. Just kidding. 5 over 7. And 5 over 27. Or 5 over 17, excuse me, is what we're going to have. So we're going to have probability of not apple and probability of apple. So let me write it correctly. Let's say of apple. Be able to multiply those two together. So you have 5 over 7, 5 over 17. Multiply the numerators. 5 times 5 is 25. Multiply the denominators. 7 times 17 is 119, which would give you about 0.21, which is 21%.